Tip 1. Short hairstyles are often the best choice for those with thin or fine hair, as they have less weight pulling them down. This can give an impression of more volume. Short styles, such as a pixie cut, are not only lower maintenance, but can create the illusion of fuller hair, making it an ideal choice for many seniors. Tip 2. Adding soft layers can add body and movement to thin hair. Older adults with thin hair can still opt for longer styles, but adding soft layers rather than keeping it all one length can make the hair appear more voluminous. This can also help avoid the hair looking too flat or lifeless. Tip 3. If your hair is thinning uniformly, consider a bob cut. A bob cut is a versatile haircut that can adapt to different hair types and face shapes. Its structure gives a voluminous look to your hair, especially when styled with a blow dryer or curler. This style also requires minimal maintenance and trimming. Tip 4. Avoid overstyling. Using heated tools such as curling irons or flat irons can damage hair and exacerbate hair thinning. Whenever possible, let hair air dry and avoid excessive use of harsh styling products. Tip 5. Consider a professional blowout for special occasions. A professional blowout can add volume and shine to thin hair, albeit temporarily. For important events or occasions, a professional touch can provide a much-needed boost to your hairstyle without requiring daily maintenance. Tip 6. Styling products are your friends. While it's important to avoid overuse, the right products can create volume and texture in thin hair. Light mousses and texturizing sprays can give your hair body and hold without weighing it down. Tip 7. Try a side parting. A side parting can create the illusion of volume, making your hair appear fuller. This is a simple way to change up your look without making a dramatic change or requiring much maintenance. Tip 8. Don't forget about color. Coloring your hair can also create an illusion of depth and thickness. Lighter colors tend to recede, which can make your hair look denser. Even a semi-permanent color can give your thin hair a thicker appearance. Tip 9. Keep maintenance appointments regular. Regular trimming appointments can help keep your hair in good shape and prevent any style from becoming too heavy and dragging the hair down, making it look flatter. This is especially important for thin hair. Tip 10. Consider a tapered cut. Tapered hairstyles start longer at the top and gradually shorten towards the neck. These kind of styles can add dimension and depth to thin hair without requiring much upkeep. Tip 11. Don't be afraid to try a sophisticated updo. Even with thinner hair, there are plenty of updos that can be created without requiring a lot of hair. Braided crowns, low buns, or even a simple French twist can all be elegant, easy to maintain options for special occasions.